What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So it's been a minute since we uploaded our last video, but we are all good. Everything is good. It's just that we've been very busy taking care of some issues or some things, but everything is good. So welcome for another new video, and if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome in our channel. Feel free to comment, like and share with your friends and family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So this is my client's bed. We've been transforming a lot of bed lately, and this is one of them. I decided to share with you some short clips on how the progress was. So this is the design my client wanted. As you can see, I usually do a lot of modifications during this transformation video, so it's not usually a small job, but this is something, if you get used to it, it will be very much easier as times goes by. So this is something you can try on your own. Yeah, so just keep watching the video, watch the video till the end, so that you can understand or get an idea on what usually goes on during the transformation. The first thing I usually do is shape the old headboard into a workable headboard. After doing that, I do the adjustment that I usually need, like raising the headboard into the standard height. Also the lower side, I usually lower it, as you can see, because sometimes these wooden bed have very thin headboards, very thin lower sides, so I usually expand them so that it can work very well with the design the client wants. So this one, the client wanted this design, so you can see the middle part of the headboard is a bit lower than the edges. As you can see, it's the design my client wanted, and she wanted a channel bed. As you can see, I've already used a blade to cut these lines, and then after that, I think, let me just give you all the tips. So after shaping the headboard, as you have seen, I usually nail a plywood, a 3-ply or 3mm plywood on it. After nailing the plywood, I use contact glue or quick fix glue to attach the foam. I usually, most of the times, depending on the design, I usually use either 2 or 4-inch foam for these beds, and then but mostly I usually use a 2-inch and a 1/2-inch for these DIYs. So after that, I used the fabric that my client wanted. She wanted an off-white fabric, velvetish fabric, as you can see, and that is how it turned out. So this part I'm just showing you that I've already did the design. What was left is for me to cover the inner side of the lower side, also attaching those sideboards. As you can see, I've already covered them with the foam. That was a 1/2-inch, and then I'm going to be covering them using the same fabric and then attaching them to the headboard. So the main purpose for this one, as I've already told you in my previous videos, is usually for the beauty, and then the other one I usually use them to attach the original headboard and the adjustment layer. As you can see, that adjustment layer that I've added on top of the headboard. So when I put that one using the nails, the whole headboard will become one as a whole, and it will be much stronger. So I've already covered the inner side of the lower side, and also the back of the headboard I usually cover it using a black lining material, and I'm going to be showing you. So now I've just covered these sideboards, and I'm going to be nailing them, and I'll be using 2.5-inch nails for this one. Yeah, so if you have any question or if you want to understand more, you can just ask or just revisit our channel, because we have uploaded a lot of videos on these transformations, and I'm sure you will learn 1 or 2 from us. The other thing that I usually do is cover these sideboards for the bed using the same fabric, so that the whole bed will match. And it will be very difficult for you to know if it's a new bed or a transformation or a transformed bed. So this is basically the process of transforming a wooden bed or an old bed into a modern and luxurious design. So after that, you can see I've already covered the sideboards and I've already done the lower side, and I'm going to be attaching this and cover the back of the headboard. So kindly comment on the video, tell me what you think about the whole transformation, like the video, share with your friends and family. Yeah, and I will appreciate you if you watch the ads that usually run on the videos. Don't skip them, because through those ads that we usually get our revenues. And by playing the ads, liking the videos, commenting on it, sharing with it, that is the support that I usually really need from you guys, so that my videos can go and reach more people through your likes and recommendations. I will really do appreciate that support. Also, if you want to reach me out, just comment down below and I'll give you my WhatsApp number, and then you can reach me out if you want to give me this job for me to come and transform your bed into a beautiful bed. So we usually transform every bed as long as it's a wooden bed, but for the metallic beds I haven't started transforming them. So now you can see how the bed turned out, and the final thing that I'm going to be doing is putting a plywood on top of this part there where you put the plywood. I'm going to be putting a plywood there. So see you in my next videos. See you guys.